Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal centerpiece. And so what you're going to need some of these Angel's Tears pendants, and they are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now you're also going to need some of this bulk rhinestone embellishment pack, and this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need some sort of a fluted vase or a candle holder, something of a similar size to this one. If you can't find this exact mini vase, that's okay. Just use whatever shape you like. You will need one of these glass candle holder plates, and as you can see, this one has a little bit of texture on the back of it, but if you can only find the clear one, crystal clear, that will work as well. Now I'm going to be using some hot glue on this project, but if you'd like to have any of the components made permanent, you would need to use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use any additional items, I will list them in the description box below for you as well. Well, can you believe it, guys? Fall is almost here. So I would love to know in the comments section what color schemes you guys like to use for fall. Do you like to use more like cool color schemes? Something like silver, white, crystal? Do you lean more heavily in the fall to warm tones like gold, bronze, and maybe even some creams and taupes? Or do you just strictly traditional with fall decor? I'd love to know in the comments section below how you guys will be decorating your spaces for fall. Well, let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this glam crystal centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now you can make it as elaborate or as simple as you like. You could fill this with floral stems. You could put a round floral arrangement on the top, or you could put in a candle holder in the center and make it a candle holder centerpiece. So it's pretty versatile, but let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.